Are you an agency owner looking to increase your profits and automate your operations? Are you tired of spending countless hours on mundane tasks like data entry, scheduling, and customer support? If so, you need to embrace the power of AI. Why am I qualified to talk about this? I'm currently working with 200 plus agencies, and I've worked with over 800 agencies over the past 9 years, and we've automated many tasks using AI over the last 2 years. In this video, we're going to explore how AI is revolutionizing agency automation and how you can use it to increase your profits and streamline your operations. Specifically, we'll discuss how you can use ChatGPT to code new tools for Zapier integrations and other automations. By the way, hit the subscribe and notification icon so that you get more videos on these topics and more. By automating tasks, you can free up your time and energy, focus on higher level tasks such as strategy development, client acquisition, and project management. This could ultimately lead to increased profits as you'll be able to take on more clients and projects without sacrificing quality or efficiency. Now, let's talk about how AI is taking agency automation to the next level. Specifically, we'll discuss how you can use ChatGPT to code new tools for Zapier integrations and other automations. And we'll discuss which tools you can integrate and give you some examples. Agencies are beginning to embrace AI as a way to automate and streamline their operations, leading to increased efficiency and profitability. One of the main reasons for the rise of AI in agencies is the sheer amount of data that agencies deal with on a daily basis. And data doesn't just mean numbers, it also means text. Whether it's tracking social media metrics, analyzing customer behavior, or managing email campaigns, agencies are constantly collecting and processing huge amounts of data. AI can help agencies to automate many of these processes, reducing the amount of time and resources required to manage and analyze data. This frees up agency staff to focus on more high-value tasks such as strategy development and client communication. And by the way, you might think, oh, ChatGPT has this context limited, which is very small, so you can't give it too many pieces of information before it spazzes out and stops giving you valuable feedback and input. Well, that's not exactly how we use it. We basically use ChatGPT for small things, and we use the GPT-4 API for large applications. Another reason for the rise of AI in agencies is the increasing demand for personalized marketing and customer experiences. Customers expect personalized experiences and recommendations, and AI can help agencies to deliver on these expectations. By using AI-powered tools, agencies can analyze customer behavior and preferences and tailor their marketing efforts accordingly. This leads to higher conversion rates and increased customer satisfaction. ChatGPT can be integrated into various agency operations, such as customer service, marketing, and sales. For example, ChatGPT can be used to automate customer support, generating personalized responses to customer queries and complaints based on a database of prior customer queries and complaints. ChatGPT can also be used to generate personalized marketing messages based on customer behavior and preferences. For example, if a customer has shown an interest in a particular product or service, ChatGPT can generate targeted marketing messages that are more likely to convert. Finally, ChatGPT can be used to automate sales operations, generating custom proposals and pricing based on customer requirements and preferences. You can feed it previous requirements and proposals and tell it to generate new proposals based on new examples. While there are many off-the-shelf ChatGPT tools available, building your own ChatGPT tools can provide a greater flexibility and customization for your agency. To build your own ChatGPT tools, you will need a strong understanding of natural language processing and programming, or someone on your team will need it, of course. You can start by learning Python, which is a popular programming language for AI development. Once you have a good understanding of Python, you can start learning about NLP, which I mentioned previously. NLP libraries like NLTK, Spacey, and Gensim. These libraries provide the tools and algorithms needed to process and analyze natural language data. You can then begin experimenting with ChatGPT and building your own custom tools. And by the way, when I say ChatGPT, I just mean GPT-4 in general. Once you have built your ChatGPT tools, the next step is to integrate them into your agency operations. This can involve integrating ChatGPT with other tools and platforms that you use, such as Zapier, Close.io, and ClickUp. Zapier is particularly useful for integrating ChatGPT with other tools and automating agency workflows. For example, you can set up a Zap that automatically generates personalized marketing messages based on customer behavior, or a Zap that automates the proposal generation process based on customer requirements and preferences. So you can build things like Chrome plugins using ChatGPT, because ChatGPT can help you code, or modify existing tools to suit your desire. And then you can use the plugins on Chrome to automatically write new proposals. HubSpot and Salesforce can also be integrated with ChatGPT to streamline customer support and sales operations. For example, ChatGPT can be used to generate personalized responses to customer inquiries or to generate custom proposals and pricing based on customer requirements. AI tools can also be used to streamline internal operations from project management to customer support. Chatbots, for example, can be used to handle routine tasks like answering customer queries, freeing up your team's time for more valuable work. Once they've answered a certain type of question 50 times, you don't have to keep answering the same question over and over, or even 10 times, or even twice. AI-powered project management tools can help you automate tasks like scheduling, progress tracking, and resource allocation, allowing your team to focus on more strategic work. Using AI to automate routine tasks and streamline workflows can also help enhance client satisfaction by reducing time it takes to complete tasks and improve the accuracy of your work. You can deliver better results to your clients in less time. Additionally, AI-powered customer support tools can help you provide 24/7 support, ensuring that your clients always have someone available to answer their questions and address their concerns. By automating routine tasks, streamlining workflows, and enhancing client satisfaction, you can grow your business without adding significant overhead costs. Additionally, by building custom AI-powered tools for your clients, you create new revenue streams and offer premium services that set you apart from your competition. You can even turn your agency into a SaaS eventually. AI is revolutionizing agency automation and providing new opportunities for growth and success. So basically, by leveraging AI tools like ChatGPT and Zapier integrations, you can automate routine tasks, streamline workflows, and enhance client satisfaction and scale your agency. Whether you're a freelancer, tech, marketing, creative professional, or agency owner, AI is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your business goals and stay ahead of the competition. Or in this case, since pretty much everyone's already using them based on my data that I have from our clients, if you don't use AI, you're basically behind. In a way, you're going to be like someone who doesn't use smartphones. It's going to be quite similar to that in a few years. Click the link in the description to see how you can build your AI development agency if you're interested in offering it as a service. I'll guide you through many of the steps you need and give you concrete templates and processes for your lead generation. The playlist link is in the description of this video. If you're interested in learning more about how to incorporate AI into your agency, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos on AI development. And if you're ready to take your agency to the next level, consider working with us to develop custom AI solutions for your business, or just build new funnels using our existing funnel processes, automate processes using our existing automation processes, hiring processes, or adding hiring processes to your agency because we have good hiring funnels. So if you're interested in any of that, do go to businessmentor.com for more information on that. Other than this, I'll see you in the next video, which is in the description.